Hey everybody, this is the best way to make banana pepper spicy beef jerky, or any beef jerky for that matter. This is such a good cheat. You can just bake it in a sheet, cut it later. Let's go. Let's see how this is done. So I'm cutting up some banana peppers, really finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of salt per pound of meat, half of that of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon cure, the pink stuff, for every pound. After that, sky's the limit. Add whatever spices you want. I do cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic, salt. Do it up with some low sodium soy sauce. I don't like the salty beef jerky. Mix in some water. You want enough for it. Well, the more water you put in, the longer you have to dehydrate it. It really doesn't matter how much you put in. Put in the banana peppers, mix it up. You want to make sure to mix this. I save you a bunch of time. I mix this for like 5 minutes. Slap it on a sheet with some paper on the bottom. Split it up evenly, spread it out. This is 4 pounds and it makes this much, so plan accordingly. You can bag it up, vacuum seal it later, but spread it out even on the sheets. Try to do that best as I can. And the reason why we're putting it on wax paper is we're going to flip it over onto a rack, and then you're going to dehydrate it for 6 hours, and then once it's dehydrated down a little bit, you can handle it, and then you can cut it into strips, and then you do it for another 2 to 3 hours. So much easier than a jerky gun, packing that gun, laying it out in strips. Then you gotta clean a jerky gun, you gotta clean so much extra. I mean, this way, look at this, you just flip it, pull it off, pull off the wax paper, and you're done. The next one's a little tougher because that pan is bigger, so I show you how to handle a pan where it's bigger than the racks or trays that you have. But you can always, cut it, pre-cut it. I have other videos that show pre-cutting, so I just do it halfway and then halfway. So real easy way to get around that obstacle. So throw it in there, 6 hours at 165. Look at that, perfect. They're not done yet, but now you can handle them and cut them into strips at least. I've done it this way for years and years. I've been a professional butcher for 10 years. I mean, I can save you time, can save you money. Look and follow my other videos if you haven't already. Such a wealth of information there. I also do woodworking, but if you're here for the meat, you might not want to see that, or maybe you do. We'll take a look at that. So now we're gonna snip. Camera magic. Looking pretty good. There you go, pushing it in. 2 to 3 hours to your desired dryness. Should be able to snap them when they're done, like fold them and snap them. If they're still kind of floppy, then they're not done enough yet. So definitely want to watch for that. So if there's any other content, any other flavors, things you want to see, any questions, go ahead and shoot them down in the comments. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. Look at that. That's what you want. I can't wait. Gotta try a little bite there. And that banana pepper, I haven't done that before, but it turned out really, really good. I also do horseradish jerky like this. Cut up jalapenos and do it like that. But yeah, the banana pepper had that really good flavor. So yeah, give this a try. You won't lose. And I do it for you guys. Thanks for watching. And this is the aftermath. This is cleaning up after myself. So like I said, really appreciate you watching. Hope you like and learned something. And I'll catch you guys later. Enjoy the rest of the video.